log in and my audio is actually not working. But here we go, guys. I'm super excited to be here. Let me know on the chats if you can be able to hear me. Let me know. Just drop a one if you can be able to hear me. Let me know where you're tuning in from. Drop a one on the charts. Let me know where you are tuning in from as I actually share my screen. Let me know where you're tuning in from if you can be able to see my screen. I can be able to say, you guys are saying, I can hear you, I can hear you, I can hear you. All right. Okay, so I want to actually get into my tab. This is just give me a minute. We are going to be starting in a few. I can be able to have different people from different locations. All right, that's fantastic. That's fantastic. Good to see all of you. Okay. So I think I'll also need to update, guys, that we are live. So if you'll be watching this maybe later as a recording, you can just like fast forward it up to where we will be getting into the presentation to avoid this set of face. But for the guys who are live here, just make sure to stick around up to the end of this call with me. I'm going to be giving you some crazy bonuses that you can actually use just as you know, just as an appreciation for you being on the call with us today, especially live. Okay. It's a few minutes. Okay. Sometimes when someone tries to now do a presentation is when things don't stop working. But we're gonna figure it out. We're going to figure it out just right now. We are going to figure out it just right now. The problem is I'm trying to share my screen, but it's not shareable. I don't know if you can be able to see, if anyone can be able to see my screen. Is anyone able to see my screen right now? Let me know on the chat if you can be able to share my screen. Let me also try and confirm from my end. That's the problem I'm experiencing. Okay, my screen is not yet shared. Oh no. Let's see. I think we're heading there. All right. I think now my screen can be seen. I think now my screen can be seen. Yes. My screen can be seen perfectly. All right. Thank you very much. Right, so I'll just start direct on this call. Apologies for just the technicalities that have been able to happen. All right, but we are going to crash it today. All right, let me see. I can be able to see we have different people from different places. We have people from Kuwait. I can be able to see we have people from Kenya. We have people from Kampala. We have people from Nyeri. We have people from from, let me see where you're tuning in from. Different people from different location, right? Super pumped up, super excited to be able to see you here. I'm going to start direct with my presentation. My name is Dennis Mwabu. I'll just start by sharing my profile. I'm the managing director at Mamuru Kenya Limited, managing director at Ethiopia, CEO at Crimson Hope Limited, and Masters of Science in Marketing at the University of Nairobi. And I am in my 20s era. And the reason why I'm sharing with you my profile is not that I'm bragging. I just want to share with you the reason why I'm actually giving you the information, and the reason why I'm here today on this presentation. Most of the people in the society where you have grown, I'm from Africa, a third world country. I usually say I'm just a kid from a third world country. And if you've been able to achieve this, your mama, your papa is usually very, very proud, right? We agree about that. And we are actually looked at as people who are actually successful. Why? Because I can be able to buy my own car, I can be able to feed my family, I can be able to, I'm not married yet. I can be able to take my girlfriend to somewhere where we can be able to eat. And life, I can tell you for sure, it's not a struggle when you have this kind of a profile. But why am I here today? And that's the reason why I want to show you the reason why I'm here today. It is bigger than my directorship position. It is bigger than my company. It is bigger than my education. All right. And I want you to pay attention to this, because for me, this is where I'm seeing my fortune. I usually say salaries will just pay your bills. All right. Profits will make you fortunes. With Jim Rohn quote. All right, so I'm going to be getting into my story. Before I started this, I was broke. Okay, the picture you're seeing here, this was me. I can actually remember I was actually taking care of cows and goats in the village, and life was hard. Life was tough. No, like just being able to see this picture, you can be able to tell like life was a little bit crazy. I was involving myself in activities that were not productive. I didn't have a future. I didn't know where I'm going with my life. I did not know where should I turn. I remember this is a period whereby I couldn't even talk to a lady, because I did not have the money, I did not have the confidence, and life was a little bit tough. But here's the thing, guys. As most of us, what you usually do, we graduate from campus, right? You can be able to see this was me with my friend. We had graduated from campus. And what happened is I had high hopes that I am really going to get a job. But what happened is things turned the other way around. I was not able to get the job that I was thinking I'll be able to get. And the photo you're seeing here, maybe you've seen me sharing this on my social media platform. This is why I sat down and I decided and said, hey, you know what? This internet thing is actually going to make me money. It likes it or not, I have to figure out how I'm going to make money from this internet thing. Fast forward, I've been able to travel around the world. You can be able to see here, this is my car that I was able to buy with my own hard-earned money, with my skills. Toyota Mark X is a V6 engine, all right? And in Kenya here, if you have a Toyota Mark X, guys, you're a young guy, you always want, like, nobody can pass you on the road. Kenyan guys, you can be able to confirm that, right? It's such a powerful car, such an amazing car. And I was super, super proud to have this car, because it's something that I had really looked at. You can be able to see here, this was me experiencing the Maasai culture. I've been able to actually have my first visit in Addis, the land of beautiful ladies, whereby you just walk and you can see all ladies have long hair, very pretty. All right, this was me at their cultural place, and this was me actually in my next car that I was just actually looking to get. And this is actually a picture which is very memorable, and somehow sometimes I usually feel a little bit of emotions when I look at this picture, because these are my siblings, okay? And for my siblings, what I did in one Christmas, I told them, hey, here's the thing. Here are 5 cards. Choose one of the most expensive hotel that you'll actually want to go, and I'll pay the bills for you. Eat whatever you want, do whatever you want, have fun for the Christmas holiday. And the reason why I did that, I was like, it's because this is possible. I can be able to do that today. I remember also this was a cruise whereby the travel agency was telling me, hey, what you want to do is want to put you together with other people. And I was like, no, I'm paying for the whole thing. And here's the reason why I'm sharing with you this story. Again, I'm not sharing this story to brag. I want to show you, if a kid from the rural area who is able taking care of cows and goats can be able to get out from this situation and is able now to travel around the world, speak to people like this. Like, we had an event here in Kenya, as you saw in the WhatsApp group, and it was crazy. The amount of people who turned out, it was crazy. I want to show you that today I want it to be that defining moment. The information I'm going to be sharing with you here, I'm not sharing information with you just for you to watch. I want you to be, this is that day that you'll say, I saw this guy transforming from this situation, and I got inspired, and I made my decision that I am going to take action and I am going to actually become profitable in the financial markets. And most of you here have connected with me in my social media platforms because you understand exactly what you're doing here. And I'm going to be introducing to you a company that has really able to help me change my life 360 degrees. Stay patient, stay alert, have your pen, have a book. The next slides that I'm going to be sharing with you are very informative slides, and we're actually getting into introduce you on the platforms that you're using and how you can be able to get access to them and how they can be able to be beneficial in your journey towards success. That's why you're here. The company is known as Economy. So being the company known as Economy, as you can be able to see on my profile, I'm a business person. I like doing my due diligence. I like doing my research. I know there's some few people, the online space, people can say anything, right? People can talk anything, all right? But the most important thing is the information that you get from the right sources. For me, I've been able to do my research. I've been able to understand that this is a company that is, first of all, I can trust. First of all, it looks at its people. Third, it's a company that is credible, and I've been able to test and see the products, how they're actually working. And that's why I connected with its headquarters and offices are in United States, Nevada. This is where it's home based. Economy is home. All right. So I want to share with you the cash flow quadrant. Who knows Robert Kiyosaki? Who knows Robert Kiyosaki? Robert Kiyosaki is actually the best-selling author, financial and real estate expert. So let me educate you a little bit. And because you may ask, why am I sharing with you the cash flow quadrant here? And I want you to understand it very clearly because I'm going to be asking you questions at the end of this presentation and as we jump in. So we have four phases in the cash flow quadrant. We have the employee, we have the business owner, we have the self-employee, and we have the investor. So with the employee, this is people who actually time exchange for money. What does that mean? They actually work for time in exchange for money, which are the 60%. These are people who are employed. These are people who usually go to nine to five jobs each and every single day. I'm not saying having a 9 to 5 job is bad, but you always have to have a plan B. For example, on my side, you've been able to see I'm the managing director at Mamuru. That's my 9 to 5 job. But this is actually my plan B. And we have been trained to actually think as the 60%. And today I want to educate you because I want you to jump from the 60%, get into the 4%, and actually get into the 1%ers. 35% of the people are self-employees. Who are self-employees? People who have their own other jobs. It's just that they do not have a boss who they report to, who they write the boring reports to, who they have to go. These are people who have their own businesses, but they are running these businesses as jobs. They do not even have time to spend with their families. And then we have the business owners. I'm also, actually, for me, by the way, I'm in the employee side. I've gotten into the business owner side. And I know most of you guys have actually tried to start businesses. All right. And these are people who own companies, who are the 4%ers. And the 4%ers who own companies is we have people working for them. And they tell you running a company is hectic. You have to hire people, you have to fire people, you have to put marketing budget. Some money is stolen, someone is lost. It's a whole crazy thing. And then you have the 1%ers who are actually investors. Who are investors and how do investors work? Investors, they are the people who have money working for them. So you invest money, and money buys you time, money buys you profits, and money keeps on working for you. I want you today to shift from the employee mindset, the business owner mindset, the self-employee mindset, and I want you to think about an investor. And I'm going to be sharing with you why I'm telling you to think and invest as an investor in a very few moments here, because this is the most important thing. What is Forex? I want to see on the chat below as I explain what is Forex. Who actually knows Forex? Let me see on the chat who has heard about Forex, who thinks Forex is actually a scam, and who is actually at the moment losing in Forex. Who is in Forex and is actually losing? Right? Let me see on the chat below who has heard about Forex, who knows what is Forex, and I'm going to be explaining to you what is Forex. So Forex is buying and selling in currencies. Largest financial market in the world, $6.7 trillion are traded daily. It is a global market, fast liquid market in the world, operates 24 hours, 5 days a week. operates on any smart device. We have government, we have central banks, we have financial institutions, and we have individuals. And I know as an advanced trader, you're here and you're like, you know what? Can you please get into the information? And I want to tell you guys, it was 2 years before I understood what is Forex. And today, I want to explain to you what is Forex. Guys, I understand we have people in the call who do not know anything about Forex and they have come here to learn. And I understand also there are people in the call who are advanced traders and they're here just to check out on the softwares and how they are working. So I have to accommodate all of you guys. The advanced guys, you have to be patient. We'll be walking through the process from beginner to advanced. So just bear with me as I bring the beginners. And also, if you're an advanced trader, you may not actually understand what is Forex. You're actually just looking at the charts. You're actually trading as I was doing. 2 years in the game, I did not understand what Forex is. So let me explain to you what is Forex. Buying and selling of currencies. What do I mean what is buying and selling of currencies? For example, right now I am in Nairobi, Kenya. If I have a United States dollars, will I be able to use these United States dollars to actually buy something in the Kenyan market? Can I go with the United States dollars into the supermarket and tell them, hey, I want bread? The answer is no. So what do I need to do? I'll need to take my United States dollars. I will need to go and visit somewhere known as a bureau, right? On the bureau, I'll be able to go and tell the bureau, hey, I have a United States dollars. I want to sell it to you. If you sell it to you, the United States dollars, I want to buy Kenyan shillings from you. Are you able to understand now? Buying and selling of currencies. So, where is the money made? Where is the money made and who makes the money? So, on the exchange that you're having, we have what we call the price difference. So, on the price difference, on the process of buying and selling, Kenyan shillings converting it to dollars, dollars converting it to Kenyan shillings, the difference is where the money is made. And guess who makes the money? The bureau. Do you make the money? No, you do not make the money. So I want to take you now. I want you to take you through now the process of the digital world's forex. So I want you to take the bureau. So with the bureau, what will happen today? What we have in today's world, we have what we call brokers. So with brokers, this is where you go and exchange. This is where if you have a dollar, you can be able to exchange it with a Kenyan shillings. But the good advantage with the broker is just seated wherever you're seated, you can be able to do the exchange with all the currencies globally. Just seated from your comfort of your home using your phone or using your laptop, you can be able to go and buy United States dollars and sell Canadian dollars just when you are seated at the comfort of your house. And for me, when I heard this about Forex, this was something that blew up my mind. It was like, I can be able to participate in the global market from just seated wherever I am. And that was a no-brainer. All right, so that is Forex for the people who never understood how Forex is and where do we make the money. I'm going to be introducing you now to some of the products that we have. But before introducing you to some of the products that we have, I want to give out a disclaimer, right? Results are not guaranteed like any other business. Your success is based on your own efforts, dedication, persistence, and commitment. Your personal earnings will be directly determined by the results of the time they devoted to your business and the quality of training you provide to your people. The personal affiliates are the people that I'm talking to. At the time of viewing this promotion, me as the affiliate may be in a higher or lower promoting ranking in the company, and we will be able to share with you an affiliate manual for full qualification and explanations. For that, for you can be able to understand some of the risks that are involved and some of the ways that you can be able to participate in this space, having the knowledge. I like putting the disclaimer in front of people because most of the forex traders do not do this. I want to be as transparent as possible. I want to help you understand what you're getting with. But guess what? Life is a risk. All right. You coming on this call, you breathing, waking up tomorrow, it's not guaranteed. You moving from where you're moving, we all always take risks. As human beings, we are actually risk takers. And the people who take the bigger risks, they always make the bigger money. The decision is yours. Right, I'm going to be explaining to you one of these guys who is actually my mentor. Hassan Mahmoud is my mentor, founder and CEO at Economy. He has been able to be featured as financial experts, multiple line figures in global sales, spoken and trained in 62 different countries, has helped tens of thousands worldwide learn the power of passive income, has been able to be featured in all these things. But guess what? Today it's all about you. But why am I introducing to you to these people? I want you to understand how big this company is. Remember, I said the company is known as the economy. Of the company known as the economy, we have Hassan Mahmoud as the CEO. All right, so these are two big things. And where is it based? It's actually based in the United States of America. So Hassan Mahmoud, the reason why I connected with this vision is because he actually said, you know what? For me, I'm only looking at people over profits. And when I realized that it's all about people over profits, for me, it was a game changer for me. I want to introduce you now to our three main products. The first product is known as ECA. The second product is known as Solex, and the third product is known as Manara. I know when people hear Manara, this is where now they're going crazy. They're like, bro, we came here to just hear Manara. Stop talking all these things. Show us Manara. Be patient. It's always very important, even if you're getting into a software, it's always very important to understand what's the background of the software, who are the people behind it, what's the company behind it. That's the word I'm educating. So that now when you're actually getting access to the software, you have all the information with also all other tools and softwares that we have, because it's not only Manara that you're providing. We have up ECA. ECA is for beginners. What does ECA do? It's a video training academy whereby you have all the recordings. Let's say, for example, all the recordings of my training, all the recordings of my strategy, all the recordings of how I trade. You can be able to log in and view all the strategies on how I trade with Manara. You can be able to log in there and you can watch them in your time, in your place. And guess what? It is in different countries, all right? So if you speak English, you can be able to log in on the English part. If you speak Spanish, you can be able to log in on the Spanish part. If you're an Arabic, you can be able to log in on the Arabic part. So I do not give you only Manara, but also make sure that you understand the strategies that you're using with Manara and you start educating yourself. You get video trainings, learn Forex fundamentals, get coachable from experienced traders. So what also you have been able to do as a bonus is you've been able to partner up with international traders who have been in the market for the last 5 years, 10 years, so that they can be able to guide you and give you the strategies that they have. The other app, which is the most important and actually amazing app, this is for busy people who may feel like maybe sometimes, hey, I'm not confident a lot into the marketplace and I will need to trade with someone. And how does this work? On Solex, you have an educator who actually sends you signals, okay? When the educator sends you signals, you're able to tell you, hey, you're able to buy Euro USD here, you're able to sell Euro USD here, and you're able to receive these phone alerts, okay? You're able to review the alerts, and based on the videos that you've watched and based on the software that we have, you can be able to actually make your own decision. So this is what I'm going to do, guys. I'm going to get into a video whereby I'm going to be explaining to you how actually Solex works. It's a video that I've just done because Solex is encrypted. You cannot be able to share their screen. You cannot be able to do anything with it. It is encrypted. So that's why I recorded a video so that you guys can be able to see a preview on how it looks like. Let me play the video. It's very short and you'll be able to hear it.
So Solex is a revolutionary app, and you can be able to get access to it on your Play Store or App Store. And what you can be able to see here, this is Solex, and I'll just be able to click on it. So when I click on Solex, I'll be able to log in. And this is what we talk about when you have different international educators who have actually been in the financial markets for 10, 20 years, 4 years, 5 years and above. You can be able to see all these are different people who are able to be sharing your trade ideas and actually go live with them, trade with them. Like for example, Jessica Ramos. Jessica Ramos is one of the famous stock options trader. You can be able to see, for example, on Idris. I'll be able to come and click here on Idris. I'll be able to share with you how exactly trade ideas are shared with you on the app. So on your app, what you'll be receiving is trade ideas. Like this is the most recent trade idea on January 2nd, which we had gold. Gold was able to hit all these take profit 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, and you can be able to see how people have this app, people are commenting, people are actually interacting with it. So okay, take a look. Thank you, Idris. All right, all these are people you can just be able to engage with this, and this is what you are calling the copy and paste app. You can be able to see also there are some, like for example, if I come here to Papa Forex, on Papa Forex, what he does is he actually shares with you his analysis. Okay, take a look, for example, here at gold. You can be able to see this is euro, and this is an open trade actually, and he shares his analysis. So you can be able to learn from both traders. You can be able to take signals, you can be able also to learn how to trade. This is an encrypted app. If we go also back again, we can be able to go to the stock option queen. She charges actually $300 per hour to be able to get access to her, and you can be able to get access to her on Solex. What you just need to do is come click, and after you've clicked, you'll be able to see her trades will be able to load, what she shares will be able to load, and you will actually be able to get access to this. So this is what we are calling a copy paste system, and this is actually a game changer. This is actually a revolutionary app that we are actually bringing in the forex space. Like for example, this is Donny institutional trading since 2018. With Donny, if we subscribe, okay, we had not subscribed, so you just need to come and subscribe to someone who you want to be following. And after you have subscribed, what will happen is you will actually be able to see everything that is happening and everything that he is sharing in terms of trades. I think my internet is a little bit lagging, but that ideally Solex, and that is how it works.
All right, that's ideally how Solex works. We've been able to see. So our next thing is actually what we are calling Manara. Okay, so with Manara, what I'm going to be doing is Manara is actually an AI. It's an artificial intelligence. What it does is it scans the market for you, gives you high quality trades, give you your take profit, give you your stop loss, and actually gives you exactly where you're supposed to be getting into the market. So let me log in into my Manara so that I can be able to give you a preview how it's working, and then we can be able to continue. So just give me a minute. I'll just stop sharing first so that I can be able to log in into Manara. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I don't know why it's not opening up, but it looks like today everything is. Let's try the second time. All right, I think we are in. So I'm going to be sharing my screen just in a minute. Right, great. So this is how Manara looks like. So with Manara, what you need to do is it actually analyzes the market for you. So for example, I'll just show you how we usually like set up Manara. For example, you can be able to come here. You can be able to select any time frame that you actually want. So most of the time, I usually work with, because I'm only looking at the entries, I usually work with only the M15 time frame and the M30 time frame. Okay, so here, based on your strategy and how you trade, if you're a scalper, if you're a swing trader, if you're a smart money concept trader, if you're a price action trader, you're able to come and set these patterns based on how you trade. For example, most of the people I usually see them trading the head and shoulder. So if you're a head and shoulder trader, you can come and select the head and shoulder trader. Triple bottom, you can be able to select the triple bottom. All these. So for me, what I'll do is I will actually unselect most of them, and what I'll do is I will actually select some of the best patterns that I actually trade with. So for me, most of the time, I like trading with one, the triangle break pattern, and I usually like trading with the bat pattern. I've been able to see that they are very, very profitable, and wait, you'll be able to see it from other people who have been able to experience the 7 days free test signals challenge. I'll be able to set it on point C so that you can be able to see how exactly it actually gives you the trade. So the first thing is setting up your strategy. And then the next thing is you'll be able to actually look at the currencies that you're selecting. So for example, here you can be able to see we have Forex majors and Forex minors. So for example, here I will be able just to click on Forex minors and select Forex minors and click and select the Forex majors. So let's say, for example, we are actually only trading with Forex majors. So below here, you can be able to add other favorite pairs that you like. For example, a lot of people like trading gold. It's AU, USD. I can be able to come and add gold here. The other one is I like also trading US30. I can come and add US30 here, and you can be able to see that it will be able to be added, right? So what does it do? It actually gives you the stop loss, the entry, and take profit. For example, if you take a look at trade like this, it has already done the analysis for you. And the reason why I really love Manara is because it actually makes your life easier. It makes everything simple. They take a look at that. It will give you exactly the entry where your entry is. It will give you your target one, and it will actually give you your target two, and it will actually give you your stop loss. Okay. So, for example, if we take the other most important thing for traders is actually looking at the risk reward. If we actually take a look at the risk reward of this, okay, for example, if we put it here, this is actually a 1:3. So if it is about the risk reward is actually very, very, very highly profitable. For example, let's take a look at gold. With gold, we can be able to take a look at it. Guys, if you understand that this is the concept of liquidity gap, this is the concept of supply and demand, this is the concept of smart money concept, ICT, all right? If you're able to take a look at where Manara is actually telling you to buy gold from, it's actually telling you to buy gold from here. And when you put your stop loss here, where it's telling you to put your stop loss, the last target here, which is the target 2, you can be able to see this is actually a risk reward of actually 1:5, guys. I'm telling you, the risk reward is very, very high. You can be able to see here is 1:6, 4, 4, 3. So when it comes to risk reward, Manara is actually very, very high. The other thing is Manara can actually help you also draw your support and resistance zones. For example, if you come here on the 1 hour time frame, you don't need to struggle. You can be able to see it has already drawn for you support resistance zone, support resistance zone. If you change into the different time frame, it will also able to do. For example, you can be able to see, tell me which AI can draw for you a support and resistance zone that actually reacts directly into that zone like this. For you as a human also, it is very hard for you to draw this zone. So this is how Manara actually works. And what happens is it actually also sends you the signals on your Telegram group. So all you need to do is you just need to review the trades and execute your trades. And I'm going to be sharing with you some of the few testimonials that I've actually been able to get from different people. So basically, that is how Manara works. It's able to give you your trade ideas. It's able to give you your signals. It's able to give you your entries. Guys, for me, when I saw it is able to give you your entries, that was a no-brainer for me. When I saw it is able to give me my entries, because we all agree, guys, the most difficult thing when it comes to Forex, most of the people usually struggle with actually understanding where to actually enter the trades. And that is exactly what the AI actually does for you. And stick around up to the end because I'm going to be sharing you now. We're getting into the section whereby I'm showing you how to get access to the AI. After showing you how to get access to the AI, I know also you have doubts. Some people who hear about AI, they want to run away. I want you to hear some of the testimonials of people who have been able to test this for 7 days, and I want you to hear their testimonials. So what you're seeing here is also HFM. Okay, HFM is a partner in broker. I'm sure you've been able to see me with the hat that I'm putting. I do not like promoting brokers most of the time, but remember this: we are looking for partnership with companies that are actually able to offer us great value. So if you sign up with HFM with a code that I'll be able to give and with a link that I'll be able to give them, I've been able to tell them, hey, anybody that I bring to your company and is coming from a community, I want you to do one thing for me. For the brokers, I don't like joking with brokers. I'm very tough on them, and it's all about having an agreement that will actually favor my people. Okay. So the first thing I've told them, anyone who registers with my link, I do not care if they deposit $10. I do not care if they're trading with $100 or $1,000. I want you, if they deposit their $10, I want you to give them a deposit and double bonus. What does that mean? If you deposit $10, HFM, I've told them, I want you to give my audience an extra $10 that they can be able to use to trade with. So if you have $10, for example, you'll be if you register with the HFM link and deposit, they'll be able to give you a bonus. So you'll be having $20. All right. I've also told them you have to give my audience very tight spreads. What are spreads? Spreads are market conditions that can really help you out when it comes to actually getting into the market, because I've told them my audience, most of them are scalpers. They're looking into making money very quickly. So the spreads is a non-negotiable thing for my audience. The other thing that I've told HFM they have to do for my audience is they have to give them a dedicated account manager. So if anyone in my team has a problem, all they have to do is just take their phone and call somebody, and their issues are sorted with immediate effect. So you're actually treated as a VIP. The third thing that I've told HFM that I want for my people is I've told them that everyone, for example, if you're in Kenya, you can be able to go and use their offices to actually get free physical trainings with a personal coach who will be training you. For example, if it is the basics, they will train you how you can use MT5, how you can use TradingView, what are the strategies that you're using with Manara. You can always pop into their offices, and you can always be given someone who will actually help you with your personal coaching and training. So for the people who are not in Kenya, for the global people, I am actually in negotiation with them. We are going to be launching live classes and dedicated account managers from people globally, so that if you want to learn something, you can be able to log in and actually you're able to be taught. Especially most of the people I see, they struggle understanding some of the struggle understanding maybe some of the time how we are taking trades on Manara. So you can always log in, contact someone, and they can really be able to help you how we are trading. Right. So those are good offers. So for example, if you deposit $100, tomorrow the markets are open, HFM will be able to double that account. We'll be able to have $200 of capital now that you can be able to trade. So if you're interested in that, we'll be dropping some of the links in the group that you can be able to use to register as a partnership that you have been able to get with HFM. So HFM is a broker that you're using. All right. So what I want to share with you guys now are testimonials of people who have actually been able to use Manara. So what I did is I did a 7 days trial. And the reason I did a 7 days trial is because I actually knew that this is working, and people were actually able to participate in the 7 days trial, and we're able to see different people be able to make money and people sharing their testimonials. So there's few videos and clips I'm going to be playing here. These are people who are sharing their testimonials, and I want you to hear what they had to say about the 7 days trial. And then after that, I'll be able to share with you how you can be able to get access to it.
This thing concerns me so much about it. First of all, I haven't yet started trading on my live account, so I just normally do this demo. So all the strategies and the signals Manara has been giving, I've been trying them on my demo account, and I've been doing wonderful so well. So I think at this point, and I've learned a lot of your strategies, a lot here. So I can say that at least at this point, I'm capable now. I can be confident to go and test all these things in my live account. So it is really, I'm so grateful that you have given us this opportunity and you've given up also strategies. So it's something so wonderful. If there are guys that are doubting this thing outside there, you guys shouldn't really doubt it because it's doing a lot of things. I've tested it on my demo account, and I think by the time I now do it on my live account, I think I'll make a lot of profit. So thank you so much.
Thanks, man. Thanks, man. All the way from South Sudan, man. Just send me a.
I have been following since Monday the signals. They were all perfect. On my side, it's good, very good and very nice. All signals that were shared from Monday until yesterday, they were 100% perfect. Yeah.
Amazing. By the, do you have Manara? Maybe someone may think you're saying that because you've bought Manara. Do you have Manara?
On my side, I don't have Monara. I don't have.
Okay, guys, you can be able to see. She doesn't have Manara, but she has been able to test it, and it has been all perfect. Since I'm not the only one who is saying like the trades have not hit stop loss, I wanted you guys to hear it from people, other people. Anyone else?
I have been following since Monday the signals. They were all perfect. On my side, it's good, very good and very nice. All signals that were shared from Monday until yesterday, they were 100% perfect. Yeah.
Amazing. By the, do you have Manara? Maybe someone.
My trading journey around 2020, end of year. Then 2 years later, I started now exploring on EAs, robot, all that. But they have a defect in a way, not a defect, but it's I think it's something with any robot. They have that glitching. I'm a lateness in entering the market. A certain capacity ya kuingia ya capacity to enter the market. It has that delay. Let me say it has a delay. But the first time I joined the WhatsApp group and I saw how accurate Manara is doing it, like it's giving the actual, this is what is happening. Even though there will be a drawdown, it will be very small.
Yeah.
Actually, I was so impressed in a way. It was amazing, Bana. It was amazing. So I think for me, it's a new experience and it's something I'm willing to take up. As soon as I'm good in a few things, a few projects I'm finalizing, and I'm not the whole. I've been dealing in trading. And most of the times you've heard the hearsay where they tell us you only have to master one pair. You only have to do one pair, master it and use that pair. Now what Manara does is it gives you ideas or trade setups to all the pairs. So now it is up to choose whichever pair you want to deal in and you go for it as long as you get the confirmations. Now you don't have to, Manara doesn't limit you to only one pair. Yeah, it gives you an open mind to all the other pairs. Now, this means to those people who want to do forex trading as their main job, as the thing that they do on a daily basis. This is the thing for you. You only have to go to Manara. It helps scan the market for you. It gives you the trade setups. When the trade setup doesn't work for you on gold, you look for a trade setup on silver. When trade setup doesn't work for you on silver, you look for a trade DCHF, name it, So, I mean, what else would someone need from the Forex market when you have Manara? Really, what else would you need when you have Manara? I've been dealing in trading.
All right, guys. So these are people who have actually been able to participate in the forex space. Like, for example, these are people who are experienced traders. These are people who have been able to trade in different ways. And I shared actually a 7 days trial. And on the 7 days trial, what I was doing is any trade that Manara was actually sharing with me, I was sharing with these guys on the WhatsApp group. All right. The testimonial are thousands and thousands and thousands of people actually confirming that this is working, this is giving them results, and you've been able to hear it from other people. So the other thing that we are doing also with Manara is we can be able also to give you buy and sell signals using the Solex app. And all you need to do is actually just copy and paste. For example, if you're busy and you actually do not like have time, and maybe you are actually learning, let's say for example, how to use it, how to participate in the forex space, and maybe you're not really confident, you have trades. For example, you can be able to see this is a US30 trade whereby you're telling, hey, sell US30 at this price, sell JPDs at this price, and we give you where you're supposed to close the trades and update you. So as you're learning, you're actually earning. As you are understanding how to take the trades on your own, you're actually even getting signals and a bonus. All right. So as you saw on the ECA, this is stocks option, and the reason why I'm sharing with you the Jessica Ramos stock option, this is one of the best female traders in the United States as stock option. The only reason why they could partner up with the economy is because the economy is giving out products that are actually working and actually being able to actually help people. Go and do your research about Jessica Ramos. Go and search her on Instagram. Go and search her on TikTok. This is one of the famous video whereby she usually says she knows exactly where to promote, where news will actually go. On the second presentation, I'll be able to share with you that. All right, so she's actually part of this, and you can be able to have her coach you personally without even paying a dime. All right, so the biggest problem, guys, in Forex is actually money. I want to hear here, or I want to see on the people on this call. If you've stayed with me up to, I want to show you where the biggest challenge is. I want to see on the charts how much are you planning to start trading with, or how big is your trading account? Okay, how big is your trading account? So most of the people, what happens is the biggest challenge that they have is actually they do not have money to actually trade. Okay, they do not have money to actually trade. So what happens is most of the people usually trade with $100, with $200. They usually trade with $50. And what happens is when you trade with $100, you are actually risking a huge percentage, because most of the people when they trade with $100, they're actually risking 20% of the account. What happens is 99% of the people usually actually blow up that amount. So we also have a solution to this, whereby you can actually be able to become an affiliate for Manara. And when you become an affiliate for Manara, you can be able to earn as much money as this. Right? For example, if you're able to refer only 3 personals in getting access to Manara, you can become an affiliate, and also you can become a partner. You're able to be paid a bonus of $100, right? So $100, I mean that each and every day someone buys Manara from you, you're able to get $50 commission, and you are actually able to be given, let's say for example here, if you have 3 people who buys Manara from you, you'll be able to have $50 times 3, which is the direct commission. So you'll be having $150. And then when you get $150, the company will tell you, hey, thank you very much for referring someone to the company, right? Or to using this AI to helping them make money. So they'll tell you, hey, we are giving you an extra bonus of $100. So now you'll be having $100 plus the $150, right? So what you'll be doing is you'll actually have made $250. So if you're an affiliate, you're actually at an advantage, because if you invested certain amount of money, you're now able to make back your money. Okay, Influencer 500, you have only 3 guys. So what happens is the company gives you $500 bonus. You're able to have 900, so the company gives you $900. And this amount goes as it increases, But I want to be very clear. The affiliate side is for the only people who are maybe aggressive and they want to do the business. Also, you can work with you on a personal level, and it is 100% optional. If you just want to have the AI and trade on your own and make money on your own, it is good. What you are doing is the company does not want to put money on billboards and all those things and advertisement. It wants to invest back all the money that it will have used on the marketing, on promoting, on working with influencers, and it wants to give you as a partner who will actually work with them. Does that make sense? So if you're interested and you have a crowd, I'm only looking for very few people that I can work with them as affiliates. Each and every day I'm getting crowds, I'm getting thousands and thousands of people who are asking me, how can I get access to Manara? How can I get access to Manara? And you can be able to have a piece of the pie of this cake. So let me get into the part whereby I'm going to lose a lot of people from this call, which I'm very comfortable with, because not everyone who will see this will actually take action on it, and not everyone who will see this will actually be serious about their financial journey. Most of the people, I told you at the beginning of the call, most of the people have employee mindsets. Most of the people are looking to actually do something for free and get something for free. Most of the people are looking for free things, and those are not the people that I'm looking for. I'm only looking for people who understand the importance of investing in their trading journey. The people who understand the importance of actually investing in tools that will help them make money. I told you, you always want to make money. You always want to use money so that money can be able to buy you time. And that is how you become an investor. You do not become wealthy in the Forex space with the employment mentality. So this is only for the serious people. So we have 3 packages. We have the first package is the Elite Pack. On the Elite Pack, I want you to listen very carefully. The Elite Pack is $149. But this is an offer that is running right now. Getting access to Manara, ECA, Solex, and stock options at the moment as you're speaking is $250. But I'll be giving you a special coupon code. I'll be giving you a special link that you can use to register, and you pay with today, and you can be able to get an offer of $149. So the lowest package right now is the $235, and you'll be paying $149, which is the Elite Pro Pack. And then the other package is the Gold Pack, which is the $139 per month, and you'll be paying initial fee of, I want you to take a look at there very carefully, $499. Okay. But right now, if you want to actually lock your spot and you want to actually get started immediately and not pay the $250, all you need to do, you can be able to get access to this offer, which is an Elite Pack, whereby you're getting access to Manara, you're getting access to Solex, you're getting access to ECA. And this Elite Pack is initial fee, you pay $149. After paying $149 for the initial fee, you'll actually be renewing your membership for $99. That is the offer. So if the offer passes, you will be paying $235, and every month you'll actually be renewing it for $149. So which one is easier for you? Which one is easier for you to secure? I believe the $149 is the one that is easier for you to secure. So what I'll do is I'll be dropping a link on the group that you use to actually join into the group. And what you'll be getting with the $149, you'll actually be getting Manara as the AI. You'll be getting stock options as a bonus. You'll be getting Solex for taking the signals that I've showed you. And you will be getting the ECA, which is the Economically Liberated Academy. You'll be getting all those things. So I'm repeating again, this is a bonus that you actually don't want to miss. Okay. So do this, guys. There's a link that will be dropped on the group. We have our representatives that you are working with them. They'll be able to drop some links on the group so that we can help you sign up. Okay. And let me give you a tip, guys. Okay. Maybe right now you do not have the money, but you know you are actually going to definitely purchase this, and you want this to be able to help you make money in 2025 in Forex. Let me give you a tip. The link that will be shared, okay, listen to this very carefully. All right, the link that will be shared in the group, okay, go and register. Even if you're not paying right now, go and register on that link. So what will happen is that link, it is a coupon link, all right? So it will expire. So when it expires, your account will be registered under the $149. So when you come now to make your payments, you will only pay $149 other than paying $250. That's a tip for you guys. Okay, so as soon as the link is dropped on the groups, very quickly go and actually register. If you don't receive a link, if you don't receive any links from the groups, that you are in, go and look at the admin. The admin who is there, go and send them a chat. Tell them, hey, send me the Manara registration link, and they'll be able to send you. If it is me, I'll be able to send you. If it is me and someone else on the group, send that other person. Tell them, hey, I need an affiliate link to register. If they do not answer, you can be able to send the message to me and I'll be able to send you a link. So we also have another solution whereby, right, whereby if maybe you feel like, hey, this monthly fee, Dennis, that you're saying you're supposed to pay, I don't think I want to pay monthly fees. Okay. And this is what we have. We have a scholarship program whereby if you refer 3 friends, guys, we are in a referral business. Most of you guys, when you start making money from Manara, you're definitely going to tell your friend. You're definitely going. I've actually realized that most of the Forex traders have a Forex partner who they actually trade with. So there's the get 3 and promotion bonus. Get 3 and promotion bonus means that you refer 3 active paying students who are actually pay for the $149. And what will be said is say hello to free access. Your monthly fees will be waived completely. So if you're smart enough, what you can do is you can actually join the affiliate program, refer your first 3 people. What will happen is you'll be given $150, which is direct commission, which is money that you'll have paid for your monthly fee, which now it is free, and then the company will give you an extra $100 bonus. If I was you, this is the option that will actually follow. So cheers at the end of the presentation, guys. We have 2 people, guys, not sure how to start. We have 2 people, guys, people who actually watch things happen. And we have the other people who actually make things happen. Today is when you decide that I want to be the people who actually watch things happen, or you want to be the people who make things happen. I'm looking for only 30 people for my next class. So if you're ready to get started, I want to see on the charts. I am ready to get started. I'm going to take a screenshot. After taking a screenshot, you're going to be in my first 30 slots. After this call, you're going to be having a members training, and you can actually plug into it, whereby I'm showing people the insights and how we are going to be trading on next week markets. Okay. So if you're ready to get started, just drop a comment. I am ready to get started. I want to get into the comment section and see who is saying that he is ready to get started. And I'll be able to take your numbers. I'll be able to take pictures here, and I will be able to actually add you on my first 30 group of people. Remember, I'll only take only 30. Here on this call, you have almost 70, 60, 80 people. I just only need 30 people. So if you're ready to get started, you can drop I am ready to get started. I can be able to see we have man, this guy, I'm ready to get started. So I'm going to be reaching out to you on the group. You have someone else. I'm ready to get started. I only need 1, 2, 3, 4. We have Geoffrey. I'm ready to get started. We have ready to get started. So just go on the register and then we'll be able to have a chat with you. I'm ready to get started. Damonia. All right. We have James also. I'm ready to get started. We have also someone else. I'm taking photos of all these guys. As soon as they click the number that I want, I will be out. I'm ready to get started. Right, amazing, amazing guys. Glovu, I'm ready to get started. We have Nyori also, I'm ready to get started. All right, so I'm screenshotting this on my phone. So if you're ready to get started, just make sure the first thing that you've done, you've registered on the link on the group, and then I will be able to help you out in terms of the signing up and moving forward. I'm ready to get started. Ready. We have, how many are these people? Have they gotten into 30? I'm ready to get started. We have, I'm ready to get started. We have Brian. I'm ready to get started. We have Jonathan also. I am ready to get started. Okay, so let's do this, guys. Let's jump back into the group. All the people who, okay, I think these are more than enough. We have Miracle. I want to get you into the first phase of this week. Who will be trading with? Hey guys, now you're becoming too much. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Right, we are 19. 1920, I'm about to pay the elite pack. 21, I'm ready to get started. Simon, 22. So the last person will be at this guy, Jean. All right, so let me take the photo. Jean, those are the last people that I'm taking. So if you have said that you are ready to get started, let me take a photo. We have also Alex. I'm ready to get started. So let me take a photo. First things first, if you see this on the group, do this. Go and register on that link that is on the group. Okay, after you've registered on that link that is on the group, after you've registered on that link on the group, you can send me a screenshot, and then you need to have a Binance account. Okay. So guys, this now is for the people who are ready to get started. Okay, I think I'll close it at this guy, Abraham. We'll close it at there. I cannot take more than those for next week. So guys, what is going forward is for the people who are ready to get started. I want to show you how you can sign up. Okay. So what we are having here is Binance. So the link that you'll be able to get into you'll be able to get into the group. On my group personally, I've not been able to send the link. As soon as I'm getting out of this call, I'm sending the link. So go and register on that link. All right. After you've registered on that link, these are the steps that you need to follow. Let me share with you the steps that you need to follow. So guys, if you're not interested with what I've shared with you, the AI and all those things, you can just exit the call right now. This is not your call. This is for the people who are ready to get started. Okay, so let me just stop sharing so that I can show you the step-by-step process. Please get started. So let me show you the steps that you can actually take. Let me share my whole screen. Screen. So this is what you need in order to make the payments. Guys, if you have Binance, it will be very, very easy for you. Okay, with Binance, you will need USDT. So what you need to do after you've registered on the link, okay, after you've registered on the link, remember, you cannot just log in on your own. The economy, you'll be able to go to the economy login. So after you've registered on the link, you'll be able to be redirected to this part. Okay, so you'll be able to be redirected to this part. I'll be able to click the economy portal. So after you've clicked on the link and you've registered on your email, you'll be able to be redirected to the sign up page. Okay, let me enter the password. I think what is happening with this one. Let's see. For example, on this group, I'll be able to share the link on this group. Let me first share the link on the first group so that I can show you the step-by-step guide that you'll actually follow. If you're in group 1, let me share the link there. Okay, so that is the link. So with this link, what you'll do is you'll go and click on that link. When you click on that link, it will redirect you to a page that looks like this. Let's see. It will redirect you to a page that looks like this. Okay, so what you'll do is you'll need to enter your email. All right, After entering your email, what will happen, so you can be able to see, for me it has told me I have an account. So what will happen is it will redirect you to the next page. I need to put my password. So it will redirect you to the enrollment kit. Okay, this is where it will redirect you. So after it has redirected you here, what you want to do is you want to come and click the elite pack. All right, so here is the elite pack, which is $149. So when you click the $149, if you're making the purchase, you'll be able to see there is a cut button that will be here. So on this cut button, what you want to do is you want to go and click it. Okay, when you click it, you want to make sure that your email is okay, your first name, your last name, referral code, you've been able to put your referral code, date of birth, everything is okay. All right, so if you have a credit card, you can pay using your credit card. But if the credit card is not working, like right now, we have an update that is going on. If you find out the credit card is not working, the most easiest and fastest way that you can actually make your payments is through Binance. Okay, if you don't have a Binance account, you can reach out to me. I can show you how to create your Binance account. And all you just need to go is you need to go and buy crypto. When you go and buy crypto, which is USDT, you need to come here and you click pay with crypto. So when you click pay with crypto, it will activate the process payment. So after it has activated the process payment, what will happen is it will redirect you to a page, another page that which is actually known as TigerPay. The page is loading. So this is the page that it will actually redirect you to. It has redirected you to this page. What you want to do is you want to come here and click deposit and pay. So if you have your USDT, you click deposit and pay. You just come here and click confirm. All right. So after you've clicked confirm, what you need to do is you will need to come and click that. I understand, and click that, and you need to come and deposit the USDT using this address. Okay, USDT using this address. Okay, so if you deposit the USDT using this address, what will happen here? The pending payment will actually process. Okay, so I'll give you another thing that you're supposed to take very keen look at. Okay, so the amount of USDT that you need to have on your Binance account or any other crypto wallet that you're using is 151 USDT. 151 USDT. Reason because you'll have a $1 transaction fee for Binance, and you'll have a $1 transaction fee that will be used on TigerPay. So if you pay with less than 151 USDT, your payment will not actually process. Okay, very, very, very keen. Your payment will not process. So you need to have 151 USDT on your Binance account, and then you come and deposit here. On Binance, it will deduct $1. On TigerPay, it will deduct $1. So you'll be having now $149 that will actually be deposited on this address. All right, pay attention to that. So if you don't know how to create a Binance account, or if you're in Kenya and you want me to help you make the payments, you can reach out to my number. I can be able to help you make the payments. But if you have Binance, very, very easy to actually buy USDT using Binance. You can be able to get a YouTube video on that, and you come here and deposit and pay. Make sure the address is actually correct, but the best way is actually just to scan this code, and you'll be able to get the bonus for the $149. Right? Looking to see you guys on the other side. That was an amazing, insightful session. Congratulations for staying up to the end. I will be giving you more bonuses if you get into the VIP. We also have an AI tool that you are launching. We also have the copy trading tool that you are launching. If you're in the VIP, we'll be able to give you access to all of these things. We also have a crypto AI that we're actually launching. And the only way you can be able to get into this, if you have paid the $149, you have a bonus to get access to every single thing that I am actually sharing with you. Okay, anything that I can actually share with you. Right, so if you have any problem, just send me a chat. Have a good time. Cheers. Be blessed.